Alright guys, I am in the grocery store. I just dropped her off at an appointment and I'm gonna buy some stuff. It's a film day and I want her to cook stuff that I want her to cook that she hasn't yet. I'm excited. Let's grab some stuff. Hey.
Hi.
While you were in there, I went shopping.
I know. What did you get?
We'll have to wait and see.
I don't like it.
Oh, that's weird.
What's up? It's Susie from HeyGrillHey.com, and today is a mystery bag challenge. Todd went to the grocery store, picked up some ingredients. I legitimately have no idea what's inside of here, and he told me I have to cook it for you. It's something that I guess he's wanted for a while. I haven't made yet, so we're gonna take you a little bit through the recipe making process. Mystery bag. Let's do it.
Hey guys, I'm Todd, Susie's husband. This is Susie, Todd's wife. Is that better?
Yeah, great job.
Hey, before we get going with this, here's a word from our sponsor. Oh hey, we're your sponsor for this video.
We sponsored ourselves.
Thank you so much, ourselves, for sponsoring this video.
What a gift.
Because we have some products that you can buy from us to support us, because we've been providing you with amazing free content for years and years, right?
Sure.
So yeah, support us by shopping for our products, try them out at home, and we also have the Grill Squad. Check out thegrillsquad.com. It's an online subscription course that can help you make better barbecue and feed the backyard people that you love.
Good job. Thanks for all of your support, sponsors. I don't know what you put in. It could be anything.
So there's this thing that happens on the interwebs and social medias that there's certain trends that hit, and there's a certain someone that doesn't want to cook those trends, and I push her to, and I mean, I don't know how to cook, so I couldn't do it.
I don't know where we're going with this.
Okay, let's pull things out one by one, see if you can guess. Ready? Okay, so I have 3 of my favorite different kind of sweet rubs here.
Okay.
We have the Hey Grill Hey Sweet Rub.
Yes.
We have my buddy Josh DeWitt's JDQ Sweet Rub.
Good stuff.
And we have our good friend Heath Ryle's Pecan Rub.
Also delicious.
Smells like pecan, tastes like pecan.
Okay.
Fantastic.
We're making sweet pecan cakes.
Okay, first.
Bacon is a solid start. Points for bacon. What's next?
Simple.
Oh, you did it.
I've wanted to have these. Everyone's been making them, and I feel like I've missed out on life not eating bacon wrapped Oreos.
So Todd loves Oreos. I feel like take them or leave them. When you bacon wrap it and smoke it, like it's one of those things that went crazy viral, and I was a little bit skeptical, and so I just never made them. I don't even want it. Listen, what else do you have in here?
I bought some other fun stuff.
Okay. See, this sounds like something I could have fun with.
Alright, that's for me. When I'm filming, I'm gonna leave and film you, so I gotta have a good drink.
Chocolate peanut butter Oreos. Yes. EL Wedge chocolate cookie wafers.
Those are my other favorite.
Oh, Todd.
I'm so sorry.
I mean, maybe with the pecan pumpkin pie bacon barbecue. All right.
For all you haters out there.
Listen, I don't even know if this counts as a recipe, but I'm gonna bacon wrap some sugar cookies.
Let's go.
Okay, now that I know what I'm actually up against, am I allowed to like get extra like tools and equipment from the kitchen?
Sure.
Okay, be right back.
What are you getting? So smart.
Cookie sheet, flat roasting rack. It's my favorite way to do anything small and bacon wrapped because it's an easy transfer between like prep and the smoker. But it probably would have given it away if you had that out early, so. Smart on you, Todd.
Yeah.
You did that on purpose, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Here's the real situation. I think you bought all these different kinds of cookies because you knew I wasn't going to bacon wrap all of them. And now you just have a bunch of different kinds of cookies.
What's wrong with that?
This is not a challenge. This is a wrap a cookie in bacon. It's not even a recipe. You could have gone way harder.
You sprinkle rub on asparagus and call that a recipe. It's the same thing.
Touche. I think first we start with classic Oreo, because that's the one we've seen the most of, right? Chocolate cookie, bacon. I would say fold so that your seam is on the bottom. It makes a nice little package, and then set that on your wrap.
I'm so scared.
They kind of smell like pumpkin pie. So these have like a pretty buttery, like cinnamony smell. I'm not ruling them out. I think these might actually be awesome with like the pecan sweet rub. Do you know what? These might be awesome with my pumpkin spice rub. I have a pumpkin spice barbecue rub, just so you know. And people yell at me about it every year that I share it. But it's like it's just a barbecue rub, but it has flavors of pumpkin spice, which is like nutmeg and a little bit of cinnamon and clove, and it's not that crazy of an ingredient, but I call it pumpkin spice because I use actual pumpkin spice and people get real mad. But I do think these would be awesome with that. Next up, we got these Choco peanut butter ones.
I'm skeptical about this.
So here's the thing. We know that Elvis loved peanut butter and banana sandwich with bacon on it. I don't think like the peanut butter bacon is weird. For me, it's like the chocolate, but the regular Oreos are chocolate, so I don't know. What people kept saying when this recipe was circulating a lot online was don't knock it till you try it. My approach was if I don't try it, then I don't have to say anything about it, so I just never tried it. It's not something I'm proud of. I'm glad Todd's getting me out of it, but now I can say we've tried it. I can at least have an opinion about it now.
This is either going to be the best day or the worst day of my life.
I like that it's not like a middle day. It couldn't be like, this is like an average day. Best or worst. Those are the only two options. All right, let's season these suckers up. I think I'm going to do classic sweet rub on the regular Oreos. I think I'm going to go pecan on the pumpkin spice, and then we'll hit JDQ on the peanut butter chocolate. And then what if we just let the EL fudges go naked? Naked? Todd gave me so naked elves. I have not looked at any recipes for these. What? And you started the smoker.
I just put 275.
275.
Wild guess.
I have no idea exactly how long these are going to take, but based on other bacon wrap things of similar size and similar temperature I've done in the past, I would say maybe 60 to 90 minutes. But I'll come out and check them at a half hour just to see how we're progressing. Oh, and this is why we get the flat rack. Check this out. These go right on the smoker. You don't have to transfer them at all. All your seasonings on a pan instead of all over your counter.
You're so smart.
All right, I checked our cookies at 30 minutes. They weren't quite done, but we're about 45-ish minutes in now at 275, and I think they are ready. Let's take a peek. All right, Todd. I am still skeptical. It appears as though what has happened is the bacon has just, like rendered into the cookie and softened the cookie and tightened, so we have like little oblong situations happening. But I don't know. Maybe they're just gonna be so good. You know what I mean?
Okay, regular Oreos.
Our classic Oreo first.
So this is with Hey Girl, Hey Sweet Rub. Just a piece of hickory smoked bacon you get from the store on an Oreo.
You have waited so long for this.
This is like Christmas morning.
Okay.
It's kind of exactly what I expected.
It tastes like a bacon wrapped Oreo.
With sweet rub on it.
The texture's kind of cool though because
It's like I dipped it in milk.
yeah, you know when you dip a cookie in milk, an Oreo in milk, and it softens? So the edges of the cookie are still crisp. The inside is nice and soft and gooey. And then you get the savory from the bacon and the seasoning. That one's good. Okay.
It's like, this is fun for like a get together or something.
I think it was fun to make them too. Super easy, required like nothing.
Hold on, I'm still eating mine. I want to do this one at the same time.
This is the pumpkin spice Oreo with bacon and Heath Rouse pecan rub. I am so skeptical about
Whoa.
this. Okay. It tastes like a pumpkin pie.
For reals. Look at that, even in the middle of it.
The way, hold on, I'm gonna get closer.
Let me make sure it gets focused on it.
Okay. The way that the bacon fat rendered into this particular cookie and then the filling, it really is like squishy and texturally like a pumpkin pie. That's nuts. A little sweeter than a pumpkin pie, but I think the saltiness of the bacon and the rub help offset it. That's good.
Hey, I'll tell you what, that's a dang good freaking Thanksgiving treat.
I'd have
right
another
there.
bite of that one. Okay, this is the one. I was most skeptical about pumpkin pie and I was so pleasantly surprised. So now we go to chocolate peanut butter. You are a chocolate peanut butter fanatic.
I love peanut butter.
Okay.
So add bacon and JDQ.
Mine's kind of half cute. Do I go with
Half
chocolate or peanut butter? The way mine's split, I have to like pick a side. Okay. I got it. I don't like it.
Well, that's weird.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Don't do these ones. Chocolate peanut butter.
I don't like the texture or the flavor. I'm gonna spit it out.
That's a first on Hey Grill Hey YouTube video.
Now I don't want to try these because the chocolate filling is what made it gross.
It's a good
All right, EL fudge wrapped in bacon.
Oh boy.
I don't want it.
Oh, that's not great. Well, we tried.
Here's the verdict. Chocolate cookie, good. Chocolate filling, bad. Pumpkin pie, maybe the favorite for me with the pecan rub. If you try any of the bacon wrapped Oreos, you have to let us know. If you want to get crazy and experiment, they have a million flavors. They have like a birthday cake Oreo, a lemon Oreo. If anything, it's kind of a fun like party experiment that you could do with your friends and see what the favorite was and see how many people spit out the chocolate peanut butter ones.
Look, I love peanut butter. I don't even want
Those were not good. Oh my gosh. All right. You can grab this recipe, as we'll call it, I guess, on the Hey Grill Hey website or the Hey Grill Hey app. If nothing else and you never cook these in your life, I hope you had fun watching our mystery bag challenge today. Or you can download the Hey Grill Hey app because that does have 550 plus
proven delicious,
tried and true barbecue and grilling recipes for you and your family, because our whole goal at Hey Grill Hey is to help you make better barbecue so you can feed the people you love and become a backyard barbecue hero. We love you guys. Thanks so much for watching the video. We'll catch you next time.
Bye.